So today's topic is size reduction and what is the need of size reduction and what the size reduction actually is. The need of size reduction is that raw food material comes in different sizes, and if sometimes it is too large for unit operations, so it is very important to bring down the sizes so that those unit operations may be performed and this food may be processed either by primary, secondary, tertiary processing, whatever we want to use. And actually size reduction is a unit operation in which thus the size of the food material is reduced by the application of either grinding or compression or impact forces. And what happens in case of liquid, if I say what happens in case of liquid, so somehow homogenization and emulsification both somehow come in the category of the size reduction in case of the liquids. And the size reduction of the liquid to the droplet is done by the atomization also. So that's how that is the size reduction in broader sense. Now question comes, what is the benefit? So one benefit I told, that if size is reduced properly, it can be processed in the various equipments. But the actual benefit is that there is the increase in the surface area to volume ratio of the food after the size reduction. So surface area enhances. So some operations like, especially the heat operations like drying, heating or cooling, that improves drastically. You think yourself, it is very hard to dry a whole potato, and it is very simple and very easy. It is very easy to dry the shredded potato or the potato chips. So here what we did, we enhanced the surface area, and as the surface area enhanced, what happened? These operations became more efficient and easier. And that sometimes that improves the quality of the product, and naturally the efficiency of the operation is also increased. And size reduction, if we talk about the preservation and about the shelf life, so size reduction hardly has little to no effect on the in the preserve life or the shelf life of the product. And various methods of size reductions are there, which we will study in the coming lectures. And we can chop the product, so chopping, cutting, slicing, dicing, and then large to medium, and then medium to small, and small to granular. So these are few methods, and milling into the powders, and as I told, liquid droplets to atomization and emulsification and homogenization. So all these are various methods of size reduction, and by what they will be performed, they will be performed by the different equipments which we will use. Like for homogenization, what we will use? Homogenizer, we will use hammer mill, we will use spin mill, we will use slicers, we will use cutters, we will use jokers. So the list is long, and we're going to study maximum of these in the coming lectures. So that was it about the size reduction today. And if you have any question about the size reduction, you can write in my comment box and I will answer that accordingly. Thank you very much.